Imagine having a personal assistant to help you write emails, organize your schedule, or even find the perfect gift online. Sounds futuristic, right? But this is real thanks to artificial intelligence or AI. AI tools are now part of everyday life, making things easier for everyone, not just tech experts. This guide will show you how simple and helpful AI can be. Think of it like learning a new gadget, a little practice, and soon you'll wonder how you lived without it. We'll walk you through the basics, using clear examples and simple language. You don't need to be a computer genius, just a phone or computer and internet will do. These tools are designed for you, made to be user-friendly. Our goal is to help you feel confident using AI to make life simpler. We'll cover what AI is and how you can use it for daily tasks right after you finish this video. Get ready to boost your productivity and make chores less of a burden. By the end, you'll see AI isn't just for scientists, it's for anyone who wants to get things done more efficiently. Let's get started and unlock more time for what you truly enjoy. Let's break down artificial intelligence. AI means making computers smart, able to learn, understand, and solve problems, almost like a human. An AI tool is any app or software that uses this intelligence to help you with a task. You've probably used AI already, like when your phone suggests a faster route or Netflix recommends a movie. These tools are everywhere, designed to help you get things done faster and smarter. Think of AI as a super assistant that's read millions of books and analyzed tons of data. When you give it a clear instruction, it uses all that knowledge to help you. For example, an AI writing tool knows how to draft a professional email because it's seen thousands before. You don't need to know how it works, just how to ask for what you want. Most AI tools are easy to use, often free or low cost, and available as apps or websites. In the next sections, we'll show you how to use AI for real-life tasks. Let's turn this big idea into practical skills. Writing emails can be tough. Finding the right words, the right tone. AI writing assistants are perfect for this. They can draft emails, improve your writing, or just check your grammar. Start by choosing an AI writing tool. There are plenty online. The interface is simple, just type your instructions in a text box. Be specific. Instead of write an email, say, write a polite email to my manager Jane asking for Friday off. Mention, I've finished my urgent tasks. The AI will generate a draft in seconds, using professional language and your details. Always review the draft, make sure it sounds like you and all details are correct. Edit as needed, then copy and paste into your email program. Think of the AI as your first draft helper. You're still in charge. With a few tweaks, you'll send emails faster and with more confidence. Try it for your next tricky message. You'll be surprised how much time you save. Juggling appointments, meetings, and deadlines can be overwhelming. AI-powered calendar apps can help you stay organized and stress-free. Many digital calendars, like Google or Microsoft, already have smart features built in. Connect your calendar to your email. AI can automatically add events from your inbox. Need to schedule a meeting? Just tell the AI who's involved, and it'll find the best time for everyone. Some tools even send invitations and book meetings for you. You can also give the AI your to-do list, and it will fit tasks into your free time. It can block out focus time, suggest gym sessions, and remind you of important dates. The result? A balanced, realistic schedule that works for you. Let AI handle the planning so you can focus on what matters. Try it for a week, you'll notice the difference. Smart scheduling is just a few clicks away. Online shopping can be overwhelming, but AI can help you find the best deals fast. AI shopping assistants like browser extensions compare prices, find coupons, and track price drops automatically. Install one with a click, and it works in the background as you shop. If there's a better price elsewhere, the AI will let you know instantly. At checkout, it can search for and apply the best discount codes for you. Some tools even show you price history, so you know if you're buying at the right time. For big purchases, set a price alert. The AI will notify you when the price drops. No more endless searching or missing out on savings. Let AI do the hard work so you can shop smarter and save money. Try it next time you shop online. You'll wonder how you ever shopped without it. Want to learn a new skill or language? AI makes learning easier and more personal than ever. AI-powered apps can create custom lesson plans, adapt to your pace, and answer your questions instantly. Choose a tool that fits your Go language apps, chatbots, or online tutors. Ask the AI to make a study plan, like create a 4-week beginner's guide to Python. The AI breaks down topics step by step, guiding your learning. Stuck on something? Ask the AI to explain or walk you through a problem. It can quiz you, give feedback, and even help with pronunciation. Practice as much as you want, the AI never gets tired. Instant feedback helps you improve faster. With AI, learning is interactive, flexible, and always available. Make it your study buddy and see how much you can achieve. Using AI is powerful, but staying safe is key. Never share sensitive info like your address or bank details with AI tools. Treat AI chats like public conversations. Keep private details offline. Double check facts the AI gives you, especially for research or important decisions. Use trusted, well-known AI tools. Avoid suspicious links or unknown apps. If something seems off, verify the website or app before using it. For sensitive tasks, use AI for templates, then add private info yourself. Remember, AI is a helpful starting point, not the final authority. Stay alert for scams or phishing attempts. With a few smart habits, you can use AI safely and confidently. Enjoy the benefits, just use common sense. New tech means new mistakes. Here's how to avoid the common ones with AI. Don't be vague. Give clear, detailed instructions for better results. For example, instead of write about cars, say write a short blog post about the 2025 Ford Mustang's engine and design. The more context you give, the better the AI's response. Don't accept the first draft as perfect. Always review and personalize. Skipping this step can lead to errors or awkward messages. Remember, you're the editor-in-chief. Don't get discouraged if the first try isn't perfect. Experiment and rephrase your prompts. Learning to talk to AI takes practice. If you don't like the answer, add details or ask for a different tone. The more you use it, the better you'll get. Stick with it, and AI will become a powerful tool in your hands. We've explored how AI can help with emails, schedules, shopping, and learning. AI isn't just a trend, it's changing how we manage daily life. The key: AI empowers you by handling tedious tasks, freeing up your time. It drafts emails, finds meeting times, and helps you focus on what matters. Think of AI as a partner, not a replacement. Don't be afraid to experiment. Start with a small task this week. The more you use AI, the more you'll discover its value.
It's a versatile tool for anyone, not just techies. With simple steps and smart safety habits, you can use AI confidently. Embrace this technology and make your life easier.
Start exploring today and unlock a smarter, more streamlined way to live. The future is helpful, and it's ready for you. Let AI be your everyday partner.